In today's video, we're going to review another modified operating system from the TeamOS community. This system is called HydraOS, and as expected, it's in English since TeamOS always releases their operating systems for the English-speaking market. We can see the language is US English. We click Next, accept the terms, click Next again, and one more time Next to begin the installation of this new operating system based on Windows 11 24H2 named HydraOS. As always, the ISO download link will be in the first pinned comment. Once you've downloaded the ISO image, you'll need to use a tool like Rufus or Ventoy to prepare the bootable USB drive, since this ISO is compatible with both tools. Once the bootable USB is ready, simply boot your PC from the USB drive via BIOS and proceed with the OS installation. You'll be greeted with this installation interface, which is currently copying the necessary files to install this operating system based on Windows 11 24H2. We're already around 40%. It's a fast installation because it's a Lite system. Remember, Lite systems reduce components and services to increase performance, especially for low-end PCs. Still, keep in mind that even though it's a Lite system, you should have hardware that meets the minimum requirements for any OS based on Windows 11 24H2, which is a modern operating system. In this case, we're installing it on a virtual machine in VMware 17 Pro with 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor with 2 threads, so these are the minimum specs needed to run this OS. It's also necessary to install it on at least an SSD drive, as mechanical hard drives in 2025 are no longer viable for installing modern systems like this Windows 11 24H2. Mechanical drives have poor read-write speeds and can cause future problems like lag, freezing, and overall slowness. If you enjoy these reviews of modified, light, or optimized operating systems, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and helps spread this information to more people who, like you, are looking for the perfect OS to meet their needs depending on the hardware they currently own. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you think about this system, if you're planning to install it on your PC, or if you're willing to give it a try. You can also tell me your hardware specs, processor, motherboard, RAM, and I'll be happy to recommend the best system for your setup based on the ones we've reviewed here. We're now restarting to begin the second phase of the installation of HydraOS, a Windows 11 Lite from TeamOS. As always, do not turn off or restart your PC during this phase. It's critical. This stage installs services, components, and final adjustments. If you restart or power off the PC now, it could corrupt the entire installation and force you to start from scratch. Once this is complete, we get access to the administrator account, which is pre-configured by default. We're now ready to boot into Windows 11 Lite 24H2 named HydraOS. Inside the desktop, you'll see a colorful wallpaper and several shortcuts: This PC, Recycle Bin, Follow TeamOS, Mozilla Firefox, and an Extras folder. Inside the Extras folder, you'll find 7-zip compressor, Mozilla Firefox installer, CMD script, registry script to pause updates until the year 3000, Ultra UX theme patcher for third-party themes. If we go to the Start menu and type the command winver, we see that this Windows 11 Lite HydraOS is based on Windows 11 24H2, specifically build 26100-4061. Now, let's open the Task Manager to check the idle performance. We see 24 background processes, CPU usage at 3 of 5%, RAM usage at 1.4 GB out of 4 GB. Opening Windows Explorer, we see the HydraOS ISO size is 6.28 GB, and it has no secure boot restrictions. As usual, the download link is in the first pinned comment. Right-clicking Local Disk C, Properties, the system takes up 14.9 GB, which is slightly high for a light version of Windows 11. Heading to Control Panel, Installed Programs, we see 7-zip, Microsoft Visual Basic Runtime, Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables from 2005 to 2022, Mozilla Firefox, Remote Desktop Connection, Start is Back, which is a custom start menu. In Installed Updates, we find 5 updates pre-installed by the creator. In Windows Features, we have .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8, Document Printing Service, and Windows PowerShell 2.0. Heading over to Settings, we see a message saying Windows needs activation, so you'll need to activate it to unlock all features. In Apps, aside from what's already in the Control Panel, we also see Calculator, Media Player, Microsoft Bing Search, Edge Browser, Microsoft To Do, Paint, Weather App, Snipping Tool, Web Media Extension, and Xbox apps. In Privacy and Security, the default antivirus is Windows Defender. Going to Windows Update, you can update the system, though I always recommend not updating Lite versions through Windows Update. Now, as usual, let's go to Settings and try to switch the language to Spanish. Under Language and Region, we search for Spanish Mexico, click Next, and set it as the default. The Spanish language pack begins downloading. If you're from another country, you can try any Spanish variant. I use Mexico just as an example. If Spanish Mexico installs, then other languages should too. If it doesn't work and remains in English, it means the ISO has had the language installation component removed and no other languages can be installed, only English. Now it's asking us to sign out. We do that, sign back in, and check if changes took effect. We see some parts, like this PC, are in Spanish, but Recycle Bin is still in English. Inside Windows Explorer, everything is still in English. So if you normally use Spanish or another language, you won't be able to switch it fully via language packs. Also worth noting, the Microsoft Store is updated, so you can install your favorite apps without any problem. And that's the review of Windows 11 Lite HydraOS by the TeamOS community. The ISO download link, as always, is in the first pinned comment. And if you want more videos about Lite, modified, or optimized systems, here's a playlist for you. See you there.